Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Samsung's next big move with One UI 8.0. Everything now depends on how well Beta 2 performs. If this version runs smoothly and feels user-friendly, Samsung might decide to roll out the beta to even more devices, like the Galaxy S24 lineup, the upcoming Z Flip 6, and the Z Fold 6. But on the other hand, if Beta 2 ends up having too many glitches or performance issues, Samsung could hold off and instead focus on improving things for the Galaxy S25 series with a third beta version before allowing more devices into the program. Samsung also made a surprising change by cutting down the number of countries included in the first wave of the One UI 8 beta. Previously, 7 countries were part of the early rollout, but now, it's been reduced to just 4. While this could help Samsung release a more stable version faster, it might also delay the beta launch in important markets like India and Poland, which usually get early access. Now, Beta 2 isn't really packed with new features. Instead, it's mostly focused on fixing bugs and making small improvements. It might also include the June 2025 security patch, and if all goes well, we could see the beta program extend to users in India and Poland as well. So for people eagerly waiting to try out the new One UI 8.0 features, the stability of Beta 2 is going to be a big deal. If things go smoothly, we might start seeing more Galaxy devices outside of the S25 series joining the beta program as early as late June or sometime in July 2025. Let's take a quick look at the expected rollout timeline. The Galaxy S25 series already kicked off the beta on May 28 in regions like the US, UK, Germany, and South Korea. Beta 2 is expected to arrive in mid to late June 2025, and if all goes according to plan, the stable version could launch between July and August 2025, just after Samsung unveils the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. For the Galaxy S24 series, the beta is expected to begin in late June or early July 2025. From there, it could get 2 to 4 updates through July and August, with a stable release targeted for August or September 2025. As for the Galaxy S23 series, we're looking at a beta release sometime in early or mid-July 2025. That'll be followed by 2 to 3 beta updates through the next couple of months, with the stable version likely rolling out in September or October. Then comes the Galaxy S22 series, which might see the beta start in mid or late July. There's even a chance Samsung might skip beta testing for this one, but if it's included, it could receive 1 or 2 beta updates in August, with the final release expected around September or October 2025. However, if bugs continue to affect the beta experience, users with older Galaxy devices might have to wait even longer. Samsung could delay their inclusion until Beta 3, which might push the update timeline to July or even later. The good news is, Samsung has officially confirmed that One UI 8.0 will be rolling out as a stable version to Galaxy devices sometime this summer. That means exciting new changes are right around the corner. So, what are your thoughts on all this? Are you looking forward to trying One UI 8.0 on your device? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.